And what I want to show you is that hands are curved. We already have been looking at that today. And from my little tiny bit of study of martial arts, they talk about something called fair maiden wrist. And fair maiden wrist means an unbroken line. So that's a broken line. That's what a lot of you are trying to get your piano students not to do. But this is also a broken line. So when I'm talking about the curve of a hand, I don't talk about the curve of the hand. I talk about the curve from my elbow to my fingertips. I think about a longer arc. And by the way, a longer lever is stronger. So a lot of you are worried about having more strength in your hands, and you're trying to get it from your hand. And if I can get you thinking to your elbow, that's a longer lever. So that alone is worth exploring.